I'm dying.
Down south and strapped up, car all black, yes, wrapped up and it's gassed up. We ready to roll straight out of church. Lord bless my soul. You can step to me if you'd like to meet him, but I'd keep your distance if you like breathing. We got more rounds and it keeps increasing. We give them out, you best believe it.
So many motorcycles out today. What's up, everybody? It's 200 degrees outside and I'm currently dying. Let's go! I actually wanted to start this video because I have some good news. That's right, I'm finally getting my business off the ground. For those of you, all of you, who don't know, I have a little side hustle where I design subwoofer boxes. I design custom enclosures for subwoofers mostly, but I've done designs for like home theaters, boats, Bluetooth speakers, stuff like that. But most people come to me because they want a custom subwoofer box, and that's my little business. I just do the designs. I've had a Facebook page on this for a while, and just recently Motor Trend, well, Masters Network that runs Motor Trend, reached out to me and they want me to come to Tennessee and do a little segment on my subwoofer boxes, and they're gonna put it on Motorhead Garage. So that's cool. So yeah, I'm gonna be going up to Tennessee soon. It's like 2 weeks from now or something. Yeah, I'm gonna go up there and they're gonna do a little bit of filming, and then it'll air like a month from that. So I expect to see it around mid-October. Sure, you can't park there. My ear itches and there's no way for me to scratch it right now. Oh, I'm dying. Boom, 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 boom. What am I gonna do? My ear itches. I'm gonna, oh my God. Just want to scratch it, I can't, there's a helmet in the way. But anyway, yeah, that's really all I made the video for, was to say, hey, I have a business and it's gonna get some traction a little bit being on TV. For anyone who is interested in that kind of stuff, you can follow my page or visit it and come get a design for me if you want. That's right, a little Danger Custom 318. That is the lowest I've seen gas in a while, which sucks because that's still not good. But yeah, if anybody wants to come visit my page, check it out, see what I do, come get a design. That's just my little side hustle that I'm actually registering as a legit business or an LLC. So that's actually coming up soon. It's gonna be legit and cool. But yeah, that's all I had. So yeah, you're welcome. Just a little speed clip for you. But yeah, your boy's becoming an official business. Is it windy or is it just me? Nah, it's windy. Huzzah, dudes. Yeah, so many bikers out today, man. It's a beautiful Saturday. I was volunteering at a food pantry this morning, so I'm like super tired and hot and tired and hot and tired. But no, it's cool. It's a lot of fun. But yeah, I know this video got off track and whatnot. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this short, sweet, and to the point. That's really all I got for you guys today. So until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Always remember to read the description of my YouTube videos. That's where all the goodies are. The descriptions and whatnot. Because, you know, that's what it's called, the description. Check it out, boys. Peace out, Girl Scouts.